Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I got me, as you can see from the title, I know it's a really expensive phone. Not everybody has this phone yet, but trust me, I literally paid only $100. Yeah, it's weird, but I paid $100 for it. And no, I didn't went in store. I really got it brand new. It's over here with the plastic on and everything. I got a good deal with someone who lives nearby where I live. So I was able to get it for cheaper. So what I did was my previous one that I had, like the SE, right? But I also like got the 11. So what I did was I sold my 11 to someone that was, really looking for a phone, and he got it for $800. And I was able to get this phone, like the 12, for $950, but still people are selling for like $1,200, and I was able to get it for $950. So I only like spend, a good couple, $50 or something. But I was able to get it, and I'm here with you guys doing unboxing. I know I said I would be having my iPhone, my camera by now, but the stores are really closed right now. Everything's closed, so I can't get my camera to Best Buy in order for them, to check it up. And if they can't fix it because it's not a replacement lens, if you don't know what camera I'm talking about, if you're just new to my channel, I'm talking about the G7X Mark II. So I'm trying to see that if they're gonna give me store credits of $800, I think, and then I'm gonna just add $100 more, and I'm gonna get a Sony camera, 4K, and it's pretty much like popular, that camera. So I didn't told you guys which camera is it, but soon later, probably here in 1 week or two, I'll be able to get it. And yeah, right now I'm recording on my sister's phone, and that's her iPhone 11. But I got me my iPhone 12 here. We're gonna unbox this together. It's a 64 gigabytes, and I thought at first was a blue, like the navy blue, I guess. But actually it's a black one, I think, because people say don't be fooled by the logo on the top of the box, because it can be like a different color in the inside. So let's unbox this. Oh, by the way, you guys like my durag? Honestly, I'm trying to pull a durag for the first time, so you guys let me know if it's really what it is right now, or I'm just take it off. I literally don't have wave. I'm just trying to hide my hairline, Okay, let's go. Damn, that's the word. Okay. Oof. Damn, I can't show you guys, but yeah, all brand new, clean and all. Ooh, it's actually a black one. Does it? Wait, I don't know if I'm dreaming or what, but does this look black or blue? Like, am I colorblind or something? This looked black to me. God damn. All right, let's remove this slowly. Oops, I don't want to drop this. But yeah, you have it right here. Yeah, it's a black one. It gotta be a black one with the accessories here. You only get it like a charger here, and just like some like stickers. So it's not really much. Yeah, you have like the signs here that they added on the top, like for for the new ones who just came out. It's no more plastic. It's like just how you say this, like a paper, I guess now. Pollution, I guess. But let's open this all together. Oof. Damn. This thing is pretty, man. God damn, look at this. Oh my God. I'm literally trying to show y'all like all the aspects like of the phone. Look, all my fingerprint already. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna get like honestly a case from Amazon, like a good case, or Best Buy, like a good old box case or something like this, because I don't want to break it, to be honest. But yeah, in the box here you have the, I don't know how you call this again, but like the charger. It doesn't come with the regular cube anymore, like as the iPhone 8 and 7 or something like this. It doesn't come like with the cube. It's like the Pro Max, like those type of cube, the fast charger cube. But yeah, I already have one because previously I got my iPad and I returned it and I didn't return the cube. So I kept the cube, and finally it was a good time, to have it, because otherwise I would have to buy for the cube once again, because Apple don't provide that anymore on the box. And you got like the stickers right here, nothing special. But I really like how they are. They're actually really small. And you got like this thing right here that you can remove like your SIM card in it. Nothing special, honestly. It's just a box with an iPhone. Definitely I'm gonna find a case. But when you see it like this, right, it looks like a blue, navy blue, but it's actually black. It can be blue, it's black. Honestly, we're gonna fight on the comments. Like, literally comment below and tell me if it's really black or blue, because this is out of control to my eyes. Like, I really don't know. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it for a while, because usually like when I buy a phone, I literally resell it not even like 3 months later. But this phone is like newest in the market right now, so I'm just gonna keep it as much as possible. And even though if I want to get rid of it and get the new one or the latest one, it'll still be in value, probably like $1,000. So if I'm reselling this, maximum if I'm with it for a year, I might sell it for like 900. And right now it's like 1300. And despite a year, Apple will always sell it for 1300. Once in a blue moon, probably, to take $50 off. But yeah, it's really nice. I think I should turn it on just so you guys can have a good look of it. Yeah. Okay. Why is it taking too long? And it's unlocked, so I'm really happy. Oh, damn. This display is really bright. God damn. Okay. So here, English, Canada, set manual, put my Wi-Fi here. It's actually so smooth. Okay, so we're just gonna wait from here and see if it's really fast. Apparently it's the fastest phone right now in the market, so usually everything to put it together should be fast. But now it's like 20 seconds. Come on. Okay, it's done. Continue. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna put my Face ID. I just want to see how it looks like. Oh, damn. Damn, it looks like a machine. That's crazy. Damn, this thing looks so beautiful. Oh my God, bruh. Put my password. Okay, I think I'm done. Now. Okay, don't transfer anything. Set up later. Don't use. Agree. Location. Because this is my position right now, so it's good. Hey Siri. Oh man. So you guys probably gonna have to mute that part, because you guys gonna hear it. But you know what? I'm just gonna skip it because I don't want to ruin your video. But yeah. So I'm just clicking next, so I can just get to the home screen. Voila! Damn, this thing is really pretty. God damn. Look at this. And it feels so good, like, to hold it in hands. That's the really good part. Let's see here if it's actually unlocked. No SIM restriction. I mean, I can't show you guys my stuff right now, but it says no SIM restriction and 64 gigabytes. Probably there's like Apple Care Plus or Apple Care like that I could get with it, but honestly I look forward to it. And yeah, that's it. It's really nice. The camera is nice. Let's see the camera. You guys see here the camera? That's really nice. Damn. I'm not trying to make it too long, this video, but I'm gonna leave it right here. It's a really great phone, honestly. If you really want to update from iPhone 11 to 12, I think you should, if you really want like the good, you know, comfort and everything from a new smartphone. Other than that, I think you should like just keep your phone if you just feel like, or you just want to get the latest, just to be like on, you know, like on road or something, a competition. It's not a competition, honestly. I'm telling you. If you're at, I don't know, iPhone 7 and you want to go to a new phone, you can go to 11 too, you know. But if you really have the extra box, and not unlike me, you know, that I really got a good favor here for 950, you're gonna get it for like 1200 or 1300 in store. But yeah, honestly, that's all I have for today. Hopefully I'm gonna upload way more on this channel because I'm kind of not lazy, but out of like ideas of videos to upload, because I can't make videos much with my friends, or like you guys didn't see like a video on my channel here with my friends anyway. But those are the type of videos I really have in mind. But the COVID and everything, you know, it's really tight. So I'm gonna try to upload as much as possible. Let me guys in the comments below if you guys have any suggestion and all. But yeah, I'm out. If you guys really like today's video, please drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. And I'll be back.